guys, today we're gonna tell you about conductor and non-conductor in electricity circuit. This is our circuit and this is the battery we have put in, and this is the switch we have put in a black wire in it, and this is the wire is in the bulb, and this is the bulb holder, and you turn on the switch, the bulb lights up, and if you turn off, it kills and breaks the current. This is our circuit is running, and we have removed this, the light stop glowing, and we will see the conductor and non-conductor. First we're gonna put the metal paper clip here, and this is a conductor and its lights glow. And this is the plastic spoon, and we have put in this, and it will not work, it is non-conductor. And this is metal spoon we put here, and it glows because the metal spoon is metal, and this is a conductor. This is the electricity circuit, conductor and non-conductor. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I'm going to see you in the next video.